Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to solve coding bat interview questions for Python Logic-1, and let's go to that. So Logic-1 says basic boolean logic puzzles, if else and or and not. So we are going to use if else and or not for this one. A simple one line, the same thing as they mentioned again. So rather than wasting your time, let's go to question 1, Cigar Party. So Cigar Party is... So Cigar Party, when squirrel get a number of party, they like to have cigars. A squirrel party is successful when the number of cigar is between 40 and 60, unless it is a weekend in which there is no upper bound on the number of cigars. Return true if the party with the given values is successful, or false if is underscore weekend. Return cigars greater than equal to 40, else return cigars greater than equal to 40 and cigars are less than equal to 60. Let's hit go. So here we can see that if it is true, then it is going to be... So here we can see if it goes above 40, if it is true, then it should be more than 40 and then only it come as true. Here we can see it is true but less than 40, and that's why it will go for false. So that gives our answer that if weekend is there, then cigar should be more than 40, and if it is not weekend, then the upper limit is 60. Let's go to next question. So next question is on date fashion. You and your date are trying to get a table at a restaurant. The parameter U is the stylishness of your clothes in range 0 to 10, and date is the stylishness of your date's clothes. The result getting the table is encoded as an int value with 0 equal to no, 1 equal to maybe, 2 equal to yes. If either of you is very stylish, 8 or more, then result 2, with the exception that if either of you has style of 2 or less, the result is 0. Otherwise, the result is 1 maybe. So if u is less than equal to 2 and we will use or because either of you, it says, is less than equal to 2, then return, if both are any of us is, then return 0. If so we checked now if stylishness is less. Now we are checking if stylishness is sufficient enough to return date, else return 1. Hit go. So here it checked, like if it is less than, it is 2, then there is no date is going to possible. Here also we can see it is, one of them is 10, another one is 2, then there is no date is going to be possible. Both 2 definitely no, both 3 and 7 maybe, because it's not 8, it's not 2. So we got these examples from them and it verified with this. Let's go to next question. So next is again Squirrel is here. Okay, the Squirrel is in Palo Alto, spend most of the day playing. So they are doing playing now. Earlier they were doing party. So in particularly they play in the temperature is between 60 and 90 inclusive. Unless it is summer, then the upper limit is 100 instead of 90. Given an integer temperature and a boolean is summer, return true if play or false otherwise. Okay, so first thing first we have to check if it is summer. If it is summer, and then we have to check if temperature, or we can do one thing, return temperature is greater than equal to 60 and temperature greater than less than equal to 90. If it is there, then it will return. True if it is greater than 60 and less than 90, then true, they can play. If it is any of the statements false, then it won't be playing. Now check for if it is not summers, then we just have to update the upper limit, because definitely we need 100 as the upper limit. Oh, we got the false now. Okay, so if it is not summer, why false then? Okay, so what is the error here now? We have to see that. So it is false. It definitely says then the upper limit is 100 instead of 90, correct? So if it is 95 and here it comes 95 true equal true, then why it is giving me false? Because I wrote opposite. Okay, it should be 100 if it is summer, it should be 90 if it is this. Yeah, okay, so that worked. So here we can see 95 true, that came true, 90 false, that came true. So that's decent. Let's go to next. You're driving a little too fast and a police officer stops you. Write a code to compute the result and code it as int: 0 for no ticket, 1 for small ticket, 2 for big ticket. If the speed is 60 or less, result is 0. If the speed is between 61 and 80, the result is 1. If the speed is 81 or more, the result is 2. Unless it is your birthday, on that day you can speed 5 higher in all cases. So if is birthday, then okay, what we can do now, we can check speed. If speed is, so now we know that it is your birthday, then speed will be inclusive. It is 6, 81, it is 6. Okay, yeah, then it will return 2 as big ticket. If the speed is greater than equal to 66, then return 1 as maybe, else return 0. Else we can just copy paste this statement and change the speed. That can save us time. Okay, so this will be 81, this will be 61. Let's hit go. Okay, yeah, this was decent example. So if it is birthday, even the speed is 40, then there is no going to be ticket, because our below limit is 60. It should not be less than 60. It's not birthday but 60. It worked. It is 65 but there is no birthday, so you will get the ticket. It's your birthday but 65, there will going to be no ticket. So let's go to next. So next is given two integer a and b, return their sum. If the sum is in range of 10 to 19 inclusive are forbidden, so return just 20. Okay, so let's create some variable total, that will be a plus b. Okay, if total is greater than equal to and total is less than equal to 19, return 20, else return total. I think this is a decent example here. So here we can see that the sum was 7 it is. Here the sum was 13, that is greater than 10 but less than 19, so it came in range where you should give 20 as the output. This is 21. Here it is negative number but 9. So we got the answers. Let's go to next question. So given a day on week and coded as 0 is equal to Sunday, 1 equal to Monday, 2 is equal to Tuesday, 6 equal to Saturday, and a boolean indicating if we are on a vacation. Return a string on the form of 7 indicated when the alarm clock should ring, weekdays when the alarm clock should ring at 7, and on the weekend it should be 10 unless it is on vacation. On vacation weekdays it will be 10 and weekends it should be off. So first check if it is vacation, then we can check if it is days Sunday or days Saturday. Any of the situation, it will return off, right? Yeah. And else on vacation it will return okay, same thing. We will just copy this thing and change. So indentation really matter in Python, so be careful when you copy paste something. So here I modified the date. If it is not vacation, then for weekend it will be 10 as they mentioned there, and for other days it will be 7 for the alarm. Let's hit go and it worked out. So here we can see if it is Sunday and it's vacation, it will be off. It is Sunday but there is no vacation, then it is 10. Let's go to next. A number 6 is truly great number. Given two integers values a and b, return true if either one of is 6. So return a equal to 6 or b equal to 6, or if there is a sum or difference is 6, or a plus b equal to 6, or a minus b equal to 6, or b minus a equal to 6. So we don't note that the function absolute number computes the absolute number of a number, absolute value of a number. I think this will work. Let's see. Invalid syntax in line 2, where we got the invalid syntax. I don't find any invalid syntax here. A is equal to 6 or b equal to, oh, here it is. It should be or. So here we can see if either or anything, even here we can see the difference, right? But the sum is 6, so that will work. It is minus 6, so that's a difference because they mentioned 6 and they just gave the absolute bracket number function just to confuse us so that we can like go on a different path. But this was decent example and simple one. Let's go to next. Given a number n, return true if n is in range of 1 to 10. Okay, that is okay, unless outside mode is true. In that case, if the number is less than equal to 1 or greater than equal to 10, then it should return true. Okay, so let's go for first outside mode, and if it is outside mode, then the number, it will return true if n is less than equal to 1 or n is greater than equal to 10. Else it will check if n is greater than equal to 1, because it says inclusive here, so that's why I'm taking equal sign, and here it is taking equal, so that's how I will taking equal. N less than equal to 10. I hope this shall work. Yes. So here we can see, because it's a little bit confusing, even if it is outside mode or not, the n will be, if it is equal to 1 or 10, it shall give true in that situation. Like here we can see 10 true, 10 true. Even it is false, then it is also true. If it is true, then also it is true. So it does not matter. Same condition for 1 as well. You will see here these two examples. 1 is there. If it is false or true, it does not matter. It will always give the true. Next question. Given a non-negative number, return true if number is within 2 multiple of 10. Nice. So a percentage b is the remainder of dividing a by b. 7 divided by 5 is 2. Okay. So if we divide number, if number divisible by 10 is less than equal to 2, because it says within 2 of a multiple of 10, so that's why equal to sign, or number 10 is greater than equal to 8, because that is also multiple of 2, right? 8, 9, 10. That will also give the same solution. Then we should return, it says true. Oh, I got the better solution. We can just return this. Oh, so it verified, like 1 it is giving true because of that, 3 it is giving false, 158 because of the last digit is 8, that is this part will cover this, that will be true. So this was the last question. I hope you liked this video. I hope this will help you in build up some if else statements. We have worked on not here, that you don't have to use not, or you don't have to prove it false, you can just do it. And I'm definitely going to link my GitHub for you guys. Don't forget to look into this. This might help as well. Thank you.